Everyone knows the importance of goal setting and New Year's resolutions, but the mind-boggling fact is 25% of people abandon their New Year's resolutions after 1 week, and only 8% will achieve their goals at the end of the year. This shows that knowing about goal setting is not enough because most people lack the knowledge of the mechanics to make it work. So, are you one of them? If you're struggling to achieve your goals or have no idea how to set goals, you're at the right place. Because I'm going to show you how you can crush your goals once and for all, unlike the conventional ways others use for so many years that do not work. What I'm about to share with you can increase your productivity up to 40% and create time for yourself that you never knew existed. It doesn't matter what level of productivity or age you're at, even if you don't have a single clue what goals are. The information I'm about to share can change your life forever. And trust me, you too can start crushing your goals today easily and live the life of your dreams. But first, let me ask you this. Do you think that you deserve more than what you have right now? Are you sick and tired of not living your dreams, procrastinate on your biggest goals, and have no idea what you want in life? If your answer is yes, I've got something for you. I'm going to show you a system on how to find your true callings, your dreams, and turn them into reality as quickly as possible. This might be just the missing piece you've been looking for. Considering that you're tired of procrastinating your life away, you're frustrated of not being able to live your life filled with passion and accomplishments. You've learned all the tips and tricks on goal setting from the gurus, but get little to no results. You're suffocated with the never-ending to-do list and you want more time for yourself. And trust me, you're never going to experience that pain and disappointment again. With your permission, I would like to introduce Goal Crusher. This is the most effective master plan to effectively manage your life and live the life of your dreams. At the end of this goal-crushing system, your productivity will easily increase more than 60%, and your peers will be astonished by what you can accomplish this year itself. But don't take my word for it. You have to try it for yourself and get ready to be surprised by the results. This proven system was developed based on top management experts and has changed many lives. This system is not about crossing off your to-do list because, let's face it, there is never enough time to do everything on your to-do list. In fact, Goal Crusher is all about changing the way you think, work, and deal with the never-ending river of responsibilities that flows over you each day and stay laser-focused on the goals that matter. Here's what you can expect from Goal Crusher. Learn the top reasons why people fail to accomplish their goals. Study the simple yet effective goal-crushing techniques that can help you reach your goals in half the time. Get rid of the disempowering mindset that limits your full potential. Complete Goal Crusher workshop that guides you step by step on how to accomplish goals that matter and live a life of balance, plus so much more. After learning the Goal Crusher system, you could become a productivity machine in almost no time at all and watch your life evolve. So how much is it to be enrolled in this system? Here's the good news. This system is not going to cost you an arm or a leg, and you don't have to waste time attending courses or listening to experts that promises no result. All you have to do from here onwards is simply commit and apply this system into your life. That said, I'll be offering Goal Crusher for an incredibly special price. But this offer won't last, so what are you waiting for? Click on the button below to start crushing your goals like never before. I am also backing my offer with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, or it's your money back for the next 30 days. I'm willing to let this go at such an insanely low price because I personally want to see you succeed in your life. So there you have it. Click now on the order button. Do it today and watch your life transform.